Okay, you guys, so fall and Dollar Tree, how cute are those? These are window clings. Those are cute. Let me show you. These are cute. Grateful. It's fall, y'all. Autumn's Blessing. This one's pretty. And this one is backwards. Beyond Blessed. I'm gonna drop them. And this one's pretty. And then they have it in the orange and the green. That one's pretty pretty. They have the stackable books, which you guys all love. Those are cute. And they have quite a few. They have them in this one as well. And they have one more. Let me get it. Sorry about that. They have this one. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. They have these that are so cute. Look at this one. And that one's pretty too. Those are pretty. Those are like 3D. I like those. They have the pumpkins. The signs for the porch. I like this one. For $1. This one's really pretty. That one's pretty. Then they have all the fall floral. I see the colors right there. That's pretty. Then they have the leaves on top. So in case you guys want to make a wreath or an arrangement, I think those are pretty. And then the fall succulents on top in case you want to add a couple of the succulents. Then they have the fall mash in case you want to make a wreath. I like these colors. It has quite a few. They have a different selection. I thought this was cool. And for all you crafters here, they have the mesh, I think you call it, you guys like to use. Or what is it called? Right here it says ribbon, but this is what you guys use. It is really thin. And this is really pretty. If you're gonna do a fall something, this one is really gorgeous. They also have it in the gold. Look how beautiful that is. Look at the gold on here. So they have little jars in case you want to make a little craft. How cute is that? Let me show you all the mesh they have. They have the little fall. These are great to paint and put your napkins in here for Thanksgiving. They also have it in the turkey. I like that. That's cute. The owl. This is a great DIY for the kids right here. And the apple. How cute are those? They have the fall pumpkins. These are great. Leather pumpkins. This is the first time I've seen leather pumpkins at the dollar store. Can you guys see this? 4 of them. They have the great for the kids, the DIYs. That one's super cute. The picks, of course. The art sets. In case you want to do a little arts and crafts, these are great for the kids. I love doing them with the boys. And then they have more pumpkins here. And then they have the picks in the minis. These are cute. They're like a quarter. And then you have the jumbos up here. So yeah. Until next time.